Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is saying that she is loved, and all the people that went on the cruise with her, they, were complete strangers. Most of them were strangers, and that they did show up and show out for her in spite of it all. She said that she met them on social media, and she is special because they took their time off, and not only that, they spent a lot of money to be where she was for her 50th celebration. And so you see, people are willing to do things for you, when you're a good person. So she's saying that, no matter what, she is loved, even though people will still, judge her and whatever. But she's taking the time out to talk about that and other stuff. So go ahead and check out her page and go ahead and check out what she's saying right now. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget that Marcia also sells sheets and blankets, curtains, and other stuff. So check her out whenever you get the chance to. Have a wonderful day.
Sometimes I saw life go. Sometimes young people are friend and we're no longer no friend. Just take it and go on and say you're not smelling no friend no more. Just as though you want other people were big friend and they own no friend no more. We are call a disrespect the woman like that when I harass the woman on WhatsApp and I tell the woman them start a word for. We are involved me for. They know how much time you call me kakai. They know how much time you're going to class me down to the ground. I mean no say me have one of the best pussy in New York City in the United States of America for 50 years old. Me nah hacks. Me nah this a 50-year-old girl have one of the best pussy in the United States of America for 50-year-old. Me nah hacks you. Well clean and rejuvenated and nice and clean. Me sure that. You understand me? No price put upon this. It's only love can get you there. If me really interested in you. No money can buy this Ross. You understand me? I love and feeling have to get you some of this scratch. And you have to come good too. Because many try and fail. You need to stop it. You can't work across people because they're not no longer in your circle. People are free to do what they want to do. And I'm sure as hell free to do what I want to do. Me dep on my own long time, honey. So it don't make no sense. You describe down on my crotch. Because you've never been there. And you will never be, and you never go there. Well, let me mark my blood clot 10. I, Marcia Campbell, born the 26th of February. I have one of the best pussy in the United States of America for 50 years old. And one pitney push out of this Ross. I'm in a sexually active. Like all some who know we're sexually active. You understand? No man now run out of this like a supermarket and funeral parlor and cemetery ground. You understand? So nobody can curse me and tell me I want to with me keep up my doctor appointment. I mean, I sleep with man. For man to come give me disease and me a hand protected sex and all them foolishness there. If me there with a boyfriend and the condom bust me run to a doctor next day, go make sure say me test myself. You understand? Me no idiot. One man I'll pop one kiss for me one time a few years ago. Him like me so much and him meet me and greet me. He say give me a kiss, me hold me jaw and pop and slap on a kiss. Me cuss out in your ass same time. And God doctor immediately go get wash, go get pills and mouthwash. And I mean when I talk to social media, let me make that clear. I mean I stutter. Stop calling people phone and harass them phone. People are entitled to go wherever they want to go. Remember say, we all on social media, we meet and greet people every day. All the people that went on the cruise ship with me, they were all strangers. There's only 4 of them. There's only 4 ladies on that cruise ship that I ever met in my life. One of them I met one time when they come pick up the sheets. One of them I met several times. Some of them I met one of them I met one time, and one of them I travel with them one time. But we speak every day. They were all strangers, and I met every single one of them on social media. And them take them nice time out. Them lose money upon them job because them have to beg people keep them clients. Them take off from work. They had to buy plane tickets. Some of them had to travel 2 times. Take plane 2 times. Inconvenient themselves. Book hotel. They spend thousands of dollars. Miss Prashal, oh no, can't put me down on social media. For when me see them the people that do for me. They go through for my birthday. Yeah? Oh no, can't touch this. Can't touch this. For when me see them the people that do. They spend on all those people that went on a cruise, honey. Some of them overspend over $2,000 just to come and be with me, honey. I am loved. I'm not unloved. We'll not go rewind and come again. This girl is here to stay. Whatever name you want to call me, cockeye, this, that, I'm here to stay. Sickness never make for dog. I have the problem with the eye already, and it is here to stay, not going nowhere, honey. And me look nice and beautiful. When me feel like me take off my glass, I me keep it on said way. Anyone who don't want to have any presumption or whatever, no want perception or whatever, no want have of me, then so shall it be. Because me don't know no from a can of paint. I don't know who no. I don't know who no. Who just go on Facebook. My eyes are here to stay, honey. My eyes are here to stay. Me can't see it at them said way. My eyes are here to stay. Because me don't wear test glass. I don't wear test glasses. I wear like a sunshade glass or whatever. Me don't wear test glass. The doctor give one like a prescription one it for when me I drive at night time or when me I watch TV, you know, strain the muscles them anymore. But come on. That's all no can cause me tell me. Oh cockeye. Tell cockeye to go suck dirty stinking pussy cockeye and this and that and cockeye go do whatever. Cussing out people for other people. Some of you know, I tell you now, I'm not really sick. You know, I came out here to give me love like a comedy and to bring me great like a personality, but Facebook turned into something else. I don't know. But phone words can't hurt me no more, honey child. Me not ask you no. Phone words cannot hurt me no more. If a cockeye don't want to call me, well, cockeye it is. Because I know some millions of people have medical issues. Me sure no some bands up. This develop over the years. You understand? So me bad normal like some regular people, can everybody bad normal. And what are we or are we to consider when God bring the pitney in the world? God must know the reason why make some people here look different from some people look different. Can't look the same. Then what God call beauty? It's not you. You don't know nothing about beauty. It says beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So if the pitney born and the eye turn upside down and turn different way. God must know the reason why. God must know the reason why. You know, sometimes, you know, when you look at certain life in situation, you know, sometimes, you know, God know him work when I do. Because maybe if someone wanted born a certain way, someone would probably dead quick, would take disadvantage of people that treat in a certain way and whatever it is. So sometimes God have a way of doing things, you know, to keep us in a right direction in life, pathway. So sometimes when you think that we have a little situation going on in our life, God know what he's doing. And if you don't look at the word of God, you know what God know what he's doing. So who don't look like a damn fool when you curse people about certain situations. What no do? If he could have fixed in lot of way of certain situations, then uno fix it. Uno can't fix it. So think about it. Sometimes God make things happen to us because he's trying to save us. Save us from manipulations, from rape, and all kind of stuff. Because sometimes people are so something about them, you know, people wouldn't even pay them a mind. Then just say, you know what? She too ugly, we don't want her. So in that way, the man can get she to abuse you and mistreat you. Sometimes God have a way of making him people them, and you may think that is not beautiful, but it's not the body. It is the heart. So don't feel sorry for yourself or sorry for people out there that have certain type of disability. And them call the people with disability, and God make them in own way. Yes, God make them so. And he's the only one can create a baby in my belly. Nobody else. You understand? So all them is something they want to talk about. It don't make no sense. Somebody can't walk on and repeat the same thing over. I mean, what happened? I have people in my life for me and they talk to more, you know. I have people in my life for me and they're a big friend. Friends come and go, honey. Just like the season. Winter, summer, and fall, autumn. They just come and go. People come and go in our lives. So you can't be upset because somebody come to your group. Yeah. So it no matter. So now to face reality. They have friends for 20 years. Some of them blog up on Facebook, they have them best friend when they grow up with them. And they're no longer with them.